Hello everybody, I'm your host, Derek Bird, here at StopStrugglingNow.com, and welcome. I just have to say, I'm humbled, I'm happy, and it's unbelievable that we are now at 5,000 plus subscribers. And something very special happened in the last live that we did a few days ago. All of a sudden, people started making donations. A thing called Super Chat all of a sudden kicked in. I could not believe it. And it must be because of the 5,000 subscribers. So YouTube has surprised me. And thank you everybody who made the donations, and thank you everybody who was on the live feed. But there's something else that has happened. I'm gonna talk about it, and I have to thank you. I humbly thank you everybody for your support. So please, like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. Now, let's get to it. All right, welcome back. That's right. I want to thank you again for your support. And first up, to Foci Optics, check. Stop Struggling Now gear, merchandise, check. Don't forget to go to StopStrugglingNow.com and get your merchandise. There'll be a link down below. And now, that very special thing that just happened, not only did the Super Chat kick off, but something remarkable. Because of your support, because of you watching the videos, because of your CPM amounts, because of the content that is being consumed, I've skipped ahead of the line. Somehow YouTube has allowed me to have a membership button. I'm trying to figure out what to do with the membership button. The membership button actually allows supporters and followers and subscribers to join a monthly program, and I'm trying to figure out what I'm going to give away or what I'm going to do for the monthly membership. I will enable it because, as you know, I usually do not have advertisements running after I start the video. At the beginning of the video, there's usually ads, but after that, we just roll, you know, because I don't want to see advertisements either. So you don't have those clickable ads running midstream or every 3-5 minutes. We're just rolling because we're trying to get down to business. But that's the news. There's going to be a membership button. So if anybody wants to join, anybody wants to donate, it'll be implemented in probably 3 days. So that's the great news. Further news, as you know, we always trying to make some money. So I might as well officially announce, because we always talking about creating wealth, I am now selling most of my shares of stock. There's a reason. Unless it's going to short the market, meaning bear down, bull run goes up, bear down goes down. Because during this earnings season, companies and corporations are going to announce that they are either losing anywhere from 20, 30, 40, 50% on their money. JP Morgan, Goldman Sachs start saying there's going to be a recession. I start believing them. Even though they get bailout money, I'm still thinking I better believe them. So I'm gonna think I better dump some of the stocks. Some things that I love, I might keep. Like for instance, I got in so cheap on Exxon Mobil, which is XOM as in Mary, and it rose so high that I'm just gonna wait because they'll probably still issue dividends. So I'll still take that. But in the meantime, I'm looking for all the shorts I can get. So SPXS, VIXI, UVXY, TVIX, I'm looking at all these. SDOW, all these things I'm looking at. I just don't know which ones I'm gonna pick, but you know, SPXX, SPXS, I'll probably pick, no problem. SPXU, I'll probably pick, because both of those are under $20, thereabouts. SQQQ, I'll probably pick that too. So any movements of 2 to 4 to 5 to 10%, we can make some money. Sure, there might be a few up days, but I'm anticipating over the next month or two things to go down. But you're gonna have to watch out one thing. they're probably going to open up the, basically open up the United States of America, regardless of the lack of testing, and therefore there's going to be a boost back in the economy temporarily. The stock market should probably rise temporarily. So again, I don't have any advice. I'm not a financial planner, nor am I a stockbroker. I'm not licensed, so I'm just a guy on YouTube giving you guys what I'm doing. You don't have to do it, of course. You can call your broker or your financial advisor. So with all that said, now we got to stay on track, because it's a make money online, make money while you sleep time. For all you people watching the video who have not went to the Stop Struggling Now group on Facebook, now is the time to go there. Because in that group, up above in the Emerging Millionaires tab and on the page itself, I have things that can help you with a myriad of things. Whether you want to start a YouTube channel, that's easy enough. But if you need images, then you can go to Canva, so that link's there. If you want to start a podcast, you can get a free podcast that helps you get listed with other podcast entities such as Spotify, iTunes, Stitcher, and a few others. iHeartRadio podcast. That's Buzzsprout. I'll have a link down below in the description, but also at the Stop Struggling Now group on Facebook, there'll be a link down below for that. You will have all these links at your disposal, and everything is free. You don't have to pay initially. Canva is free. Unless you want some special images, then of course it costs. But otherwise, it's free. Everything I'm doing and everything I tell you, it costs you nothing to start, okay? So even the podcast you can start and get 90 days, 2 hours for 90 days, and it's free for 90 days, so you can figure out if that's something you might want to do. Because then you can have your own guest on. Some people are shy in front of the camera. So other things that are there are things like the podcast, like I mentioned, the Canva, like I mentioned. Oh, and don't forget your 2 free shares of stock from Webull. Down below, there's a link. And also get your free share from Robinhood as well. A link's gonna be down below. And again, the Emerging Millionaires, the Stop Struggling Now group, the idea is when you're over there, you can post a link to whatever you're advertising or whatever you're posting or whatever you're trying to sell. The idea is members are supposed to go over and try to help you out by liking, subscribing, maybe buying, whatever it takes to help boost you up, to elevate you so more people will see you. Similar thing here. When you like the video, when you make comments, that means to YouTube that people like the video and they'll recommend it to other people on YouTube who are not subscribers. So that's what the algorithm does for you on almost all social media platforms. So again, it's kind of hot out here today, but we're still going to do the video. But that's how you increase your visibility online, and it basically all platforms work the same. The more people that come and say hello, like, or subscribe or interact with the creator, then the algorithms, they're the things that make the engines go here on all social media. So make sure you get it. Also on the Stop Struggling Now group is the link for TubeBuddy. TubeBuddy helps you out with YouTube. And there's a link down below in the description for that. There's also a link at the Stop Struggling Now group. And the reason why, not everybody's on YouTube. So some people will go there on Facebook and see the link there. That helps you out, because that helps you out with keywords. I wish I would have had this when I first started, and if I would have known about it, I would have been using Keyword Explorer within TubeBuddy. I also would have been using the thumbnail creator, and those are the 2 things just by itself that are invaluable. And then there's other features within the suite as well, such as your tags that they suggest and figuring out the best tags for your videos on YouTube. That works out real good too. So these are the kind of things that help you out, and the Emerging Millionaires are all getting that information that I'm mentioning now. Fiverr, another place, because a lot of people don't know how to build websites. A lot of people don't know how to make the images like the banners for your website, banners for YouTube, banners for social media, you know, your logo. You can get all that at Fiverr for $5. If you look around, there'll be people that make it. They do it for a living, so generally you get a great quality of work, So therefore, Fiverr's another great option. There'll be a link down below since I'm mentioning it. It's also a link in the Stop Struggling Now group. Also, under the Emerging Millionaires group. And by the way, there's an Emerging Millionaires t-shirt. So go get that. And also, just keep in mind, you can email me at eric@stopstrugglingnow.com and I'll answer any questions. No problem. Or you can comment down below. I'll answer any questions. But with all that said, I just wanted to say thank you, everybody, and I appreciate your support. I appreciate you watching the videos. I appreciate you sharing the videos. And please, if you haven't liked already, like, subscribe, and click the bell below so you get the latest updates. And you know it's hard out here. That's why now it's more important than ever to get your social media platforms all set up, whether it's under your personal name for personal branding or if it's under your business name for business branding. Websites, all is important right now because you never know when another pandemic's gonna come. You never know about the number of people that's been laid off, if you're gonna have a job or you're gonna be cut back in hours. Now's the time to start thinking about earning that extra income that I've been saying time and time again. So with all that said, please keep your head up, keep moving, and I'm out.